Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So today we are trying to go to explore one more new challenge. So this is under the ACME website. So just you can log in and you can do whatever the stuff. So this is this is what we are going to automate. So initially what we did, we go with this number or might be some research number or might be the type or might be the status. So we are going and downloading the data. So just you read the data, whatever you have W12, whatever there is, you can just go and download. Now the thing is, so we need to download the data with the respective of dates. For example, if you see here 2018 to 12, so user will be the give this particular date. Okay, once he given this particular data, so he might be given in Excel file or whatever it may be. So as of now, we are going with this Excel file. So he will give this particular date. So for this particular date, so what we need to do, we need to create that one folder in the output folder. Okay, and we need to download these actions. So just click on this search icon and okay, it got something. It's log off. Let me log in. Okay, so once you're done, just download this check request and save it to there, and again go back to the work items and continue with the rest of the things, whatever the given dates now. So we need to, we need to download those respective dates. So this is a agenda of this what we need going to automate. So now I'm going to this folder. So I have this folder I created and input folder. In this input folder, I have this one Excel which we called input. Under this, I am maintaining the two sheets. One is the from date and to date. I will tell you how I'm picking these things. And another one is the status. So under the status, I have these two things. One is a date and another one is status. So here I put this one formula which is related to the sequence of sheet 1, B2 and B1. So because here B1 and B2 are the my data is available dates. So how I change this format means just to select this date format and go to this customs. Okay, why I am changing this one? The first thing is when you go to website, I have the dates like this. So I want to match with that. So I don't want to change anything in the rest of the thing, our code. So directly I know the things. So it is a standard format. Tomorrow it will change. That is a different thing. As of now, this is standard. So if it is every time it will won't change. I think so it won't. So this is standard as of now. We believe it, and we are going to that. So just go to this customs and more numbers. There here we can see the custom number. So just remove this one and enter YY MM DD. So you can just observe this one. This is noticeable. So like this, you can just enter and click on that. Okay, customs. Okay, after this, go to this status. Again, the same thing. You can do this. So once it is done, you can just check this formula is updated or not. Okay, now I will go and change this date. For example, right now the date is 17th. So I will go and put the date as 27th. Now we'll see what will happen. So what is the dates in between? So a lot of dates. 15 to 27 is around 10 to some range is there. So when you come and check here, now automatically it will change. So totally we have the 13 dates. So it starts from the 15th and end from the 27th. If you want to go this way order, you can go with this reverse order. Anything is fine. So as of now, I'm going with this one. So now I will go to this website first thing. So I will check the which dates I want to download. So I will go this some random dates. Let me figure out which date I want to do. First of all, I need to check how many years are available. 2017. Okay, 2017 is there. Let me find with 2017 itself. So just I want to check how many dates are there. 2017 one date I picked. So this is a one date I picked. Let me pick another one. So first date. So website is a little bit slow, so we can bear with this. Okay, 10, 8 is there and 9 is there. Okay, so these two, or let's go to some number 4 or 7. So we'll get some different 12 is also there. And I will go one more here, then we'll start the coding. So now here also 2017 some date is there. Okay, now when you check this one, so we have these many dates. So 2017 10th month is there, 9th month is there, 8th month. So roughly we can go with this. This is my starting date and my end date is a 9. So like this will go. So just I'm going to the Excel file and I will update this. This is my start date. So I updated my start date and my end date is 9. As of now, I'm going with this format. So my end date is also done. So almost it has some random dates are there. So you can check this one 2017 9 around how many are there? Around 55 dates are there. So now the thing is here we need to start. So for example 2017 09/14 this date is available or not. If the date is available then download it. Now we'll check whether we have the duplicate dates are there or not. I think date will won't get duplicate, I believe. So I think so the dates are not duplicate. Okay, as of now, just assume that so the dates are not in duplicate. So now we'll go to these things and we'll start this automation. The first, let me delete it. Okay. So the first step is you can make it whatever you if you want to log in those stuff you can do it. So as of now I'm not doing the steps again and again. So directly I will read this data. Okay, and read this data from this particular Excel file. I will put it this one. Okay, first read Excel file. So you can go with any kind of things or maybe classic or might be anything is fine. So I will put here Excel and I will go to this one. Where it says Excel application scope, it's not required. Okay, where it is rate range. Yeah, this is a rate range workbook which I am taking. So directly I'm passing this workbook file path. So this is my file path. Let me copy and here which sheet I want to read. I want to read for the status state. So just and make it a status state and then I'm not giving because I need enter the data from the particular. So I will go and make it output as, let me open here. I will create here Excel data table. So this is my variable. But this is done. So after this I want to loop one by one. So for that purpose I'm taking this for each loop. So let me take let me put for each loop. Where is for each row in data table where it is. Yeah, for each row in data table. So just drag and drop this one and you can update this rest of the things. So here my data table is Excel data table. Okay, let's go one step back. And in this body we want to give this body. So in this body first what I need to do. So for example, let's go to here, understand the clear picture mode. So first it will take this date. Okay, so it will go to website and search with that particular date. If this date is not available here, for example this date is not available, then I need to go to the number 2. So similar way, if the date is not available, then I need to go to the number 3. Similar to I need to look for each and everything. So for that purpose, so we need one more loop. Why? Because one loop for this entire table, one loop for this entire table, another loop for the extra loop. So which you call, for example, right now we have 10 things are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 tables are there. Tomorrow it might be increased. So if you can take this last option like that, you can go with it, or else you can directly take some random number and put the one loop for it. So now I'm taking here one more extra loop. So insert this. This is my main loop. Totally we are using here 3 loops. One is the main loop, another one is the sub loop. Under that sub loop we have the another main loop. So first loop which is related to the Excel, second loop which is the temporary loop, and third loop which is related to the data table loop. Okay, so let me take another loop. So here I will take for each where is this. So here a lot of activities came, so that's why it's taking some time to check that one. Yeah, so for each loop. Okay, here I enumerable dot range of, just I will take 1 comma 100, some random number. If you want, you can take anything, is fine. So now you can take around 10 also, it's fine, but as of now I'm taking with this some random number, so this is fine. So I will make like this. This is the first loop, nothing but as the main loop, and this is the second loop, nothing but as a sub loop or temporary loop. Second loop, nothing but as I will make it as temp loop, nothing but as temporary loop. Okay, now these two loops are came. So after this, next step, what I want to do, I want to look one more thread. So for that, I want to extract this data. So I'm going and getting this extraction data table. So just I will put this one and enter fetch the data. So I would like to extract all the data, I mean all the columns from the data table. So click on that S. So now just preview whether how it looks like. So we got this URL, WID, and then dates. Check this one. So these are the dates. So that's why I changed the date in the my Excel site itself. So let me click on the save. Yes. Okay. This one should go in inside of this second loop because I want to loop this again. So next, I will keep this one more variable, extract data table. Okay, that is fine, no problem. Extract data table is also looks good. Okay, now this is fine. Okay, loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. Again, I need one more loop. So again, I'm taking for each loop. So for each row, I will type for each row in data table. Simplified. Okay, so here my data table is, let me, I forget that. Okay, extract data table. So I will go and update here as extract data table, and I will do one thing. So this is Excel row count. I will make it as, because I want to get this data now. So if I put the same names, then it will got me it might be get confused. So I will make it as Excel row count, and this is, I will make it as data table row count. Data table row count. So this is very easy to understand how it looks like this is. Okay, now it's came. So here what I want to do is, let me, I'm collapsing this. Okay, now it's came. The first step, what it will take this data, this date. So it will come this date and it will go here. So once it come here, it will extract this data from the data table. So it got extracted. Then what it will do, it will come to here, and here I need to loop it. The first row is matching with this name or not. Okay, for that we need to take if condition. Just drag and drop this if condition. Okay, if. So I will take this current row of 0, because here it is my 0. It starts from the 0. 0. I make it as dot to string. Current row of 0 dot to string. Why it came? We are restricted in complicate. Okay. Conversion to string. Current row of, what is this? Current row of 0 dot to string is correct only. Then why it's throwing this error? Let me check what is this error. Owner can errors. That's fine, no problem. Let me go inside. This looks good only, but it's throwing that error. So string conversion from string to boolean, but we are not converting that. Let me write a full thing, equals to. Okay, so you have the syntax error. That's fine, no problem. So here I need to change this to this. So this one I will change this to, and we need to identify what is this here. So this taking a 0, and let me explore this one more time. extract data table. It's not here now, but then fine, no problem. So I will take one more time. Just I want to get how many. What is the row of this for this one? So let me preview. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the number 6. So I will go and just update this as number 6. Just go inside and number 6. So why I'm not skipping anything means some people are having the knowledge and some people have the knowledge, but also there might be the confusion. So to avoid those kind of confusion, so that's why I'm recording entire end to end. Whether it will take time, but bear with this and you will get the knowledge. So this is done. After this, I want to click here. So when I click here only, then only I will get to this thing. So it able to get this another page and we can download the receipt. So just I'm going back. For that, I will take this right away. Click activity is there. So just go and take this click activity. If you want, you can take any kind of click activities. As of now, I'm going with this normal click activities. Okay, then indicate on this search icon. Okay, I'm going to inside this edit selector. I want to understand what is there. So here have the number 2. As of now, it has a number 2, which is highlighting this number 2. So let me highlight one more time. So I will select this number, this one, number 2. So I need to check what is the edit selector and what is it. So when you check here, so table row is increasing one by one. So we'll go and declare one variable here. So because we are looping here, so I will take one assign. I will take one assign activity and I will create temp number and I will make it as this one. I will go to this variable panels and I will change this to sequence and this to string because I want to increment this. Sorry, it's need to integer because I want to increment the count every time. Okay, so here what is my start thing is? My start thing is a 1 here. So but here I'm getting this as a number 2. So that's why I will keep this here. It's to number temp number plus 1. Temp number, not this. Temp number plus. So here my index, I mean, as of now, the index is starts from the number 2. So that's why I take it as initiation is a 1. After that, I'm incrementing this one. So if I go and incrementing here if condition now, so here we need to use twice. It might become to the if condition, it might become to the else condition. So to avoid repeating of this 2 times, just go and create on the top of the if condition. Then we need to require only the 1 time for this temp number incremented. Okay, this is done. So it will click here. So once it got clicked here, it go here. So just check download request, check request. So whether it's downloading or not downloading, it came here. Okay, it downloading like this. Let me see something else is we can do here. Let me go back one step. Okay, by default it's coming here. Okay, no problem. So we'll do the same thing. So this is done. After again we need one more click activity, just copy and paste. I will go and indicate the screen. So click on the download check request. And here we need to go with this name. So download check request. So every time the download check request will be the same. And AMC, this is work item. This is also standard. No worries about that. So after once I click on this one, so I will give the delay of it here. Just 3 seconds or 1 second. That is fine. So if I not give delay, sometimes it will may take time. Instead of this delay, you can use something else as well. So it depends upon how you want to use. As of now, I'm going with the give delay as a number 3 digits. Okay, again, I want to click on the, okay, it's not clicking. We'll see what we can do here. Okay, so this download option is not working. So now what we'll do means we'll go and take here one more activity which we called image click is there now. So we'll try to use that image. Click image is there one action where it says Okay, so we have this click image. So just I will indicate on this screen. Let me go back to the 1 second. Okay, so I will just put like this. Okay, I want to try whether it's able to click or not. So just I will keep on the top side and I will put this breakpoint. So we'll see whether the first thing is able to click on the download icon or not. First, we need to verify that. Okay, open in home page. Okay, it's clicking. No, it's problem. Okay, no problem. It is clicking. Able to click. So let me check. Okay. So I will delete this. My delete button is gone. So that's why I'm deleting like this. Okay, that's fine. No problem. After this, again, I want to update this data. So not this one. Delete it. So copy this button and indicate on screen. So just update your path. Okay, this is click now. So we need to give this set text. Set text. Okay, just indicated that and keep the text. So this should be the combination of date. So first of all, we'll identify where we want to place this file. Directly we identify this. So this is the my path. Where is this? This is the my path output. Okay, this one we can delete it, no problem. Let's just delete. Okay, I'm taking this path and updating this path. After this, I need the folder. So here it will got created to one folder. So as of now, we'll go with this random folder. Okay, let me go inside this kind of. So this folder is nothing but which we are getting from this here. Current row of 0.2 string is in. So where it is, this one. Okay, copy, and that should be the combination of. Okay, this is done. Folder got created plus. So how it's saving? So we need to understand this one. So this is in the format of PDF file. So dot PDF file, and how we'll get this request, check request file. So we'll try to save the same format. So let me check check request. Okay, we make it as check request and WID. So might be this WID it taking. We'll check that one. But here 80 some number is there. Check number 80, but it's not this. We'll go and back one time and we'll check WID. Okay. 7 how we are getting this check number. Okay, we'll do one thing. So while it's downloading now, we can take this, read the text and pass it to there. Okay, get text. So we can use this to get text. Okay, get text from. Okay, this is the different one. Let me delete and we'll pick something different. Where is this get text? This is the same one, no? UI automation. Okay, I will just put this one get text and I will check edit selector. What is this? Okay, this is fine, no problem. So I will remove this and make it as properties and keeping the value as, let me control K. I will make this as file name. Okay, so I will go inside and add slash plus file name, and after this we have this dot PDF. Okay, done. Okay, now it got done. So it got updated. So once it's done now, so we need to come and update this data here. So whether it got success or failed, we don't know. So whatever the comment we are getting, so we need to update that comment. So here only the one problem which what I'm missing now. So these dates might be the repeating or not repeating. I'm not sure. If it is repeating, then we need to go with some slightly different thing. If it is not repeating, slightly difference is there. So now I will go and update this data. So what I will do, so we need to update this data in there. So Excel read all activities got changed a lot. So actual application scope, right to cell is the data table right cell. Okay, just I'm updating this right cell, not this one. Another one is it. If you're using the then application should be in open status. So I'm trying to do in different one. So let me find out that right. This is a right cell which you get from the another one is workbook. System dot workbook. Okay, so right cell workbook. So just I'm going to top and I'll grab this Excel data. Okay, and my sheet name is, what is the sheet name? Status. So my sheet name is status, and the cell I want to update this B. Sorry, not here. Here my cell should be the B. I will take one more extra counter. So this is for the Excel counter. I will make this as, so assign, this will be the Excel counter. So initially it will take starts from the 0. So just I will keep it as 0 and I will increment this downside. So where is this Excel counter? So we'll check again anyway. So we'll check and we'll run this one. So for this main loop, yeah, it got went somewhere. I will put this inside here and Excel counter plus 1. So here my index will starts with 0. So let me check whether we are reading this header or not. So extract data table, sheet name, private, display format. Okay, we'll check this one and we'll identify whether it starts from the 0 or 1. We'll check that, no problem. Okay, now this is done. So after this, so here I want to break this loop because so my date it got ended. Okay, I told you that two steps might be there's a slight difference. So if this is got ended, so we can just skip out from here. So that is a one method. Another method is, so basically we need to exit from here as of now. But in some cases we don't know whether it have the multiple dates or not. We don't know that one. So that time what we need to know, so we need to continue with this one and check this last row or these things here. So anyway, for everything we need to check whether what is the row of this thing. So whether what is, I mean, row means what is the final table of these things. How many rows are there? So whether that rows is equals to or not. So if my row and my temp counter sum, I will declare, we need to declare one more thing, one more number. So that got matched now. So then we need to skip to the next thing. So that one will do here. So what we did, so it come here, data table, it looping. So first it will check whether the my number is came or not. Okay, this temp number is nothing but as a for different one. Where is this temp number? This temp number for this one. Okay, the same thing we can use for this these things. Here I don't know how it will come. Anyway, we'll declare one more number for the third loop. So I'm declaring one more number. So this is for control K. What we can make it, this is row count. Okay, table row count number. Okay, this also I will make it as 0. So this and all we'll check one by one, because as of now we are just still a part of developing. So whether we don't know whether it will starts from the 0 or 1, we don't know as of now. So we'll go and check that. So I will put this inside. Okay, this also got incrementing. So I will make this as +1. Okay, now this is done. So once this is done, next step what we need to do, we need to take one more if condition. So either it might be clicked or not. So we don't know whether we will found the date or not. Okay, this is a one statement. Let's go back. So either it might be date come or not. Okay, till here if the date is not come, then we need to check this. Just now we declare one variable, not that variable plus this row count. So we need to check for the both. Here declaring one more variable, so which you are getting the total count of this Excel data table. So again taking one more variable, so this is control K, total number of rows. You can take how you want. So as of now I'm taking like this. So total number of countable, extract data table dot rows dot count. Select this rows dot count. So I need to convert this to the number. As of now it is in the format of string, so just I convert this one. Okay, now we declare some 4 variables. One is for the Excel, this is Excel counter. So another for the temporary counter, and another for the number of loops, another for this table row counts. So if these two are matching, then I want to skip to the next number. Okay, let go here. I will put one more if condition. If condition. You can put inside of that, that is fine. But as of now, I'm going to the separating with one by one to understand clear picture of this one. Okay, now I will copy this equals to row count total number of things. Okay, if these two are matching, then I want to click this the number 2. Okay, this number 2, how we are incrementing means, so already we have this 0 and 1 here, 2 are there, so we can use any one of them, it will be worked. So just I will take here click activity. Where is this? Okay, I will take this one click activity from here. Okay, and I will just indicate on that screen. I will check what is the data it's storing like this here. So page numbers. Okay, this is page numbers. Let me indicate here one more stuff. Okay, this is AN name is the 3. Let me indicate 4. Yeah, so here AN name is incrementing. So we need to just update here variable. So already we have this variable now, so on the top side, so we can use any one is fine. So I'm using this temp number. Okay, so why I'm using this the temp number, so we'll check whether the temp number will work fine or not. So I think the temp number is nothing but start downloading for this as well. Let me go and check. So where you are right cell. So what is updating file name.pdf. So we're just getting from the 0, that's fine. So here also temp number and temp number, that's fine. Okay, so we'll check then only. I mean, as of now we are developing, slight changes will come post development also. So now it will just click on this one by one. So for example, if the dates until cross come here, if it is done, just assume that. So now there is a 10. Okay, now we are in the part of 10. So now it got 10. So I need to check whether the next element is available or not. So that is a one step. Now we need to check. So now it got clicked here. So before clicking, we need to check if condition whether the next element is available or not. So here we need to take element exist. this element exist. Yeah. So click on this element exist. So as of now, I'm taking directly any random number. So then later I will change inside of this one. Okay, this is element exist, edit selector. So here number is 9. So just I will make this as control K and temp number. Okay, if that number is available, then only I will click. Okay, and I will making this one name as element exist. Okay, if this element exist equals to true, you can keep it as directly element X also, it will work. So if this is equals to true, then click here. Okay, once it got click here, now we need to break that loop because this is done completely till here, it's done. There is no, again it comes to the 1. So that's why we want to break it loop. So we want to make this as break loop. Okay, break loop. Okay, if this is equals to break loop, then we need to break the loop for the second loop as well. Break the second loop as well, because after this I don't have any dates. I need to pick the second date. Okay, now go to this second loop. Where is my second loop? So here my second loop. So I will collapse. Okay, it's came. So after this it came here. So before breaking the loop, I need to kind of status whether it got really break or not break. We need to check the condition as well. No? So I will make one more as an activity. I will create one more variable break loop. Okay, and I will make this as yes. If this is equals to yes, then only I will break, else I don't break. So initially what I will do when it is coming from the second loop. So because every time from the second loop only it going now. So I will come here where it is. Okay, I will make this as no. I will change this one, it will work. So because it got not declared on the part of the sequence. So let me change this variable scope. So I will make this as sequence. Okay, now this is fine. So it going there. Okay, it's completed. So now we need to check here. Let me collapse this as well. Wherever the uh, loop 3 is in, I collapsed. So now it will check the condition here again. If this is equals to break loop, yes. Put the condition here. Here, break loop equals to yes. If the break loop is equals to yes, okay, then what we need to do, we need to again here from the break it, we need to break here. Then only it will go and locate into the first loop. If it is not break, then it will keep on looping on the second loop. So that's why I'm breaking this loop. Okay, after breaking the loop, so this date might not be found in the entire my entire doc. For example, I have this some kind of tables are there. It not find entire there. That time what we would think. So we need to put this status as a not found date, date not found or something. So for that, what we need to do? So we need to declare one more variable where I am declaring. So just check. So let me go here. So if I declared here, where is this? Where we are updating some data now, this one. So if I declare if else is not came, so then it might become not on first page, it might become on the second page. We don't know where it will come. So that's why I'm creating one variable, one more variable, which we call as an activity. And here I make this as Excel data update or else date found. It's simple enough. Date found. Okay, and we make it as yes. Date found yes. Now if you want keep this bright cell here itself, it's fine, or we can keep outside of this, that also fine. Okay, so initially I will take this date count break loop. This I will make this as the no. Okay, again the same issue. Could try to understand what I am doing each and every step, then you will get easily understand. So variables loop exist or date form. Okay, they should be the sequence. If you want, you can change that name. That's fine, not an issue. Okay, now it's done. Again, after this loop here, if this loop is equals to yes, okay, it going to the break. So before breaking that, we need to check one more if condition. Okay, you want to update the data in Excel file or not. So date found equals to yes. Okay, if the date is found yes, then it obviously it will go to the success. So let me put that here, success. So I update this as a success. If not there, then I will make it as date is not found. So I will make this 1 second. Here I did something wrong. Okay, this is a cell value. So this should go here, and this should be the success. So similar for the failure as well. So date not found. Okay, now done. So now entire the development has been completed. So we'll go and check one by one. So now just assume that now we got fixed the issues, whatever it may be, we developed the code. The next is the major part. So why I'm saying the next is a major part, because we need to test the code whether it's working fine or not. This is the important thing, very crucial. How to identify the bugs, how to identify the other steps, how to identify some XYZ. So let me check here. Group break loop is yes or not. Okay, it's a capital yes, capital Y. So small things it might be will be getting a start. Okay, now we'll go and run one by one, step by step with the form of debugging. So let's go here from, we'll start from the here. Okay, I think we missed one more. Okay, we'll start and we'll see how it will come. Okay, I will put this as a one. So if you want, you can log in this page and we can update that code also fine. As of now, I'm not doing that one. Okay, let's go inside. Why it's step into not came, where it went. Okay. Oh, why it came this much time? Okay, anyway, it got inside. So the first step, it's read that Excel file. So we need to check Excel data table. Okay, it came here, Excel data table dot rows dot count. Excel data table dot rows dot count. Okay, we have around 55 rows. So then it's fine, no problem. We can make it as 0, 1. Okay, 0. Okay, we'll see. We'll check that one. So now I put this one. So it looping for the one by one. And I will go inside Excel. My Excel counter is a 1 for that updating the data. So it got read for this one. Now it read the data from the website. So let me put one step here, breakpoint. So it got read, and we'll check this data is came correctly or not. So extract data table. Extract data table. Something got missed. Excel data table only. This is extract data table. EXTRE. Okay, this is extract data table. Okay, now it updated, all the stuff is correct. So now I will make this initial break loop is a no. So if I not keep the no, then it will go there and it will got some issues. So that's why I keep press no. These are all initially state declarations. Okay, now it will go to this first thing, and I check this total number of rows. Total number of rows is at 10. So if you want to check that whether it is really total number of rows or not, extract data table dot rows dot count. So both are matching. So that's why with this help of these things, we are identifying and moving that. So table row count. So what is a table row count? So this is the one. So now it's fine, no problem. So we'll go inside. The first time it's not found. So anything, so it going mode there, and here also it's not matching now, so that's why it gone downside. And here there is no break loop. Yeah, that's why it won't go outside. And again it moved to the second loop. Okay, so what is our first date? So we need to check our first date. How we can get the first date is, we have some name which we call current. I will put this one here. So we have this name, current row of 0.2 string, current current row, Excel current row of 0.2 string. The date is 09/14/27/2017. And let me check data table. This also should, I need to check now. So because the date got changed something. So data table current row, data table current row. What is number 6? I think so. Last time I make it as 6. Okay, 6.2 string. Okay, here it picking this character 2019/04/2027. I mean, sorry, 2019. This is picking correct, but here having the some issue which we are getting from the Excel side. So we need to check why it's coming like this 09/2024. And also we can convert it this to the this kind of data. It's fine, anything is fine. So we'll try to observe what is happening there. Here I'm converting the date, so within the format of this format. So I written one small snippet of the code. So date dot trace, and this is my current row of data string where we are getting the date, and this is a format. So this format should convert it to this format. So let me run this one whether it's converting or not. I just checked. So for your things, just I'm rerunning this one more time. So just we'll check whether we are getting this Excel date or not. So let me remove Excel date. Yeah, when it, okay, let me run one more time. Okay, Excel date. So when I check this, so I got this combination. I'm in 2019/09/14. So let's go to this Excel. Okay, Excel is not opening, so that's fine, no problem. So just update the same thing to here. So Excel date. So where I need to update here. So I need to remove this string and I will update this data. Okay, still that will be the same. Okay, now we'll run one more time and we'll observe whether it's going to think or not. We'll observe that. Let me remove this point. So this is not required as of now. So click on the continue. So it got extracted the data from the particular page. And now break loop point, everything is done. So let's check. So now I will check this one. So Excel current row of row data string is in, that is data table current row of dot to 6.2 string. So here I have the date is 2018 to 11. I want to check 2017 9/14. 2017 9/14 is there or not? So 2017 9/14 is available here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to wait for another 7 loops. We'll check whether it is moving to download the page or not further. So just we need to monitor that. So again, it won't go inside because the condition was not satisfied. Okay, again, I'm moving to there. So once the condition is satisfied, now then it will come to the inside of that if condition. So click on that button is there now. So it will come there. So still it not came. So now we'll check what is the current row of sorry, data Excel row of data string. So let me check what is this. So 23, 3, 10, 20. Okay, next is the one. Okay, finally the condition is satisfied and it came inside that loop. So click on the button. So first, okay, 1 second, what is happening? So it clicked on the wrong thing, edit selector. So this one I not modified. So we'll go and modify that first thing. Now click on, where is this? But we modified those somewhere else. Click on the button. One is not required. Let me delete one. Let me update this as this should be the control key temp number. Where is this temp number? Temp number. Fine. Okay, so now I'm directly remove this breakpoint here as, and I will remove this slow step as well. I will remove this breakpoint as well because now we good to know. So it go and come and stop directly here. So we're fine. Just and click on the continue the play icon. Let it come. Yeah. So now it directly go to, yeah, it came here. So now we'll check what is the temp number. So here the temp number is 8. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. We'll check where it going to click. Okay, it clicked correct only. No problem. So we'll check this one. 93450897897. 897. Let's go here. 897. And my date is also, this is my date. So it got clicked correctly. No problem. 897. After this, it click on the this download option. It's not came for this one. Why? Setting mobile wait work item. Okay. Fine. Okay. Previous we got this table download option. Now I don't know why the download option. Okay, for few of it's coming, for few of it's not coming. This is also one thing now. Most of the times are not coming. Okay, now we'll say 2000. Okay, so this is option is not available. Then in code we'll slightly change that to date is available like that. So we just remove this and all stuff. So let me keep it disabled these activities. So I will just keep this as date form. That's it. As of now, that's it. That is enough. Here the thing is we need to understand the logic. Now, forget about the whether you're downloading or not downloading. That is fine. But the thing is you need to understand the logic, how the implementation is going on. So now here also this click also is not required. So let me make this disabled. Just I need to check whether it's found or not. That is a step. After found, now it will again it going correct or not. We need to check that one. Okay. So just I will remove this all the data and I will found this Excel date. So this is the my Excel date 2/17/1924 2/17 sorry 2017/9/4. So it got found. The first thing is done. So next here it's checking whether the row table number of rows is match or not. So one, two, three, another three are there. So let me run this. I will put the breakpoint here. So let it run. should complete. It won't take that much time. Okay, so something has happened. So that's why it take time. So I will check this six one table row count number of, not this one, table row count number, data table, data table rows six dot to string. So here is 22. So 22/04/2025. So it's completed. Now it got clicked on the number two or not? It's not clicked. Okay, I will stop this this one. We'll check this. For debugging, it will take like this only. Once you everything is set up now, then it will run quickly. Okay, now you just check what is the total number of rows. So the total number of rows is 6, and this is got match. And I will go and select this temp number. What is my temp number? So my temp number is 11. So which is the wrong? I mean, which is this is the wrong. So temp number where it's referring. This is the temp number. Okay, here we need to take one more variable which we call page numbers. So this page numbers, I will go and declare one variable. So which is the assign and control K page number. So initially my page number is the one, and I change this variable type as just integer. Okay, now I will go here. So here my page number will be, I'm taking this as the page number. Override value images. Okay, I will indicate element or not this one inside the one. Why it's not working in different way? Select for 4. For 4 is 4, it's coming. Let me keep 1 and indicate. Validate. 1 is not there. Let me try with 2. Okay, 2 and all working fine, no problem. Okay, here I will make this as page number. Once this is come here, it got exist, and I will increment this page number to +1. Click on that and incrementing this page number +1. Fine. Okay. Now I will run one more time, and this time it will work. Still in the page. Okay. So now it will come very quickly because it will fun. So now I'm checking the element. So whether that element is exist or not. So it's checking for that element. Why it's not coming? Okay. We have to wait for. Okay. Check. What is happening? Step into. Whether it clicked or not clicked, not guaranteed. So something is happening here. Here something is fishy. So We'll check first. Page number is the one, so already one is there, so we need to increment this to 2. So by default, anytime it will come, the page number is a one only, no? When you're starting open the page, you can take one and increment it that one downside are fine, or you can take page number as 2 at the top. Anything is fine, it will work. Okay, now the page number will be the 2, and it got click on the page number 2. So let it click. We need to check whether it got clicked or not. We'll wait a couple of seconds and we'll go and check whether it got clicked or not. Basically, this should not take this much time, but I'm not sure. Here it's taking the long time. Okay, it thrown error. So what is this error? 1012 page number 2 not in the activity. Class level tag A, the closest class is not found. But here this is the one which we have. This temp number is a 2, and here it's getting the class as a page number. Let's go UI Explorer and we'll export something. Okay, AA name. Let me validate, highlight. So I will go and change that AA number to 3, validate, highlight. Okay, I will go and change the number as of 1, validate. Okay, 1 already highlighted, no? So that's why it's not valid, I think so. So 7 is there. Fine. So we'll take this as a thing and we'll change the AA name. Fine. Okay, this is something which we missed. Here I will change this as the page number. Page number. Let me retry it. Now it got like the page number 2. Okay, now it came here, page number 2. It's fine. So again, it came to here page number, and just check this the temp number again. So again, it got the 11, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 order. So now it moved to the next page, the third page. So again, here the date is available or not. 2017 is there. The date is not available. So just check what is my current date, Excel date. So till here my date is 2017 9/12. Just I'm opening the Excel file. I want to check whether it's updating the data or not. Okay, date not found, date not found. It's updating. Okay. But what about this thing? First is not updated. Okay, now the code is working fine, but date is not updating properly. So here this should be the date found. So having some issue, this might be the thing. So like figure out this. So I will just stop this automation and I will correct it and back. So just a small change I have updated. So I had taken one more variable which we call page number here is enough. Just I moved inside and I added one more extra condition this one. So just this is the available in the downside now where you are doing this one. So just I updated on the top side as well because once this is done, then again I wanted to back it. Back means, for example, right now I was in the position of 7, 8, 9, and whatever it may be. Then I need to back to the again one. So when the my main loop will starts now, so from there again it go to pick that one. So that's why I gave it this as the in the starting position. Okay, this is a if condition, just whatever it did, so just go to that. So by default, I will give here as a one. Just every time I need to pick the one itself. So that's why I declared this as a one, and rest of the things are the same. and I changed I changed a few things. Basically, this might be in the outside of this loop. Now, just I put the inside of the loop because for perfecting to run that one. And here I disabled these comments, as you know. So this and all not using it. So that's why I disabled earlier itself. And then later, what to say? Later, what I changed. Mm, Rest of the things I have keep it as it is, no, not change anything. So now the code is working fine. So as of now, we'll go to Excel file and we'll change some slightly changes because when I go here, my dates are not in the all are not. I mean, have the bunch of data now. So let me open this Excel file. So this is the data. Okay, here I have this dates to 2007 9/14. So the 13 date is not there. So I will just copy and paste values because I don't want to run enter everything. So you can try from your side, no problem. So this is my data. So when I go, this is my data. So let it be. So 2014, this data is available. And after this, what is my next date? So 2017 9 is not there. So I will go and check 2017. So I will pick the another one 2017. 2017 8 1 is there here. So I will just put as this one. So here 8 1 8 1. So where is this 8 1? So here my 8 1 is there. So I will put this is here. Just for our understanding purpose, we'll try to run first 10 iterations. So then we'll skip that. So the next is, so where is that another one? So here I have the 2017, 2017 4, 3, 2017, we not taken the 4 also. So let me take what is this 9 now 2017 9. So 2017 9 17 is it? 2017 9 17. Okay, here 14 is there. So we'll add this one 2017 9 17 just for understand purpose. So I have this days as well. So I'm just going and triggering this automation. So now whatever it may be this page now, so it will just go to this main page and it will run this one. So I'm just running this one. So we'll wait for 3 to 4 iterations and we'll skip this. So after that we go inside and check the dates. So one iteration how we get to know means, so once the 10 are completed now, then that is called one iteration. Next another 10 it is completed now, then that is another second loop, next 10 third loop and so on. So once this is done now, I will try to upload the code in the GitHub. You can just go and download it from there. I will leave the link in the comment description as well. So still if you not like this video, so try to like this video so you will get notifications etc etc are coming, so we'll get notified that. So now its one iteration is completed. Now it will check for the next number. Number 11 is available or not. So for that it will take just a little bit time. So basically we know that. So the every selector, if it is not found, it wait for the minimum seconds, that is called 30 seconds. So for that purpose it's waiting. So once that condition is completed, then it will go to the Excel file and updated the status as a success. If the date is found, then make it as a success. If the date is not found, then make it as a date not found. So now it going to the next iteration. We'll wait for the 3 to 5 iterations. So then we'll see what will happen and we'll check the output, whether it's working fine or not. So again, the second loop has completed. So it waiting for the next number. So by defaultly the next number here won't found because we have only the data which in the 10 sets, or we can call this 10 numbers only. So that's right. I mean 10 pages of search results. So now it will click on the one and it keep on the move 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the third loop. We'll wait for the another 2 loops. Then we'll open the Excel file and we'll check. So try to do this activity, I mean this challenge from your end. So if you found any kind of issues, so the code is available on the GitHub. Try to download and explore it. Still, if you're not getting any kind of solution or might be facing the some issue continuously, then try to ping on the comment sections. So the comment box is always open for this. So I will try to reply definitely on this. It might be sometimes I will reply very fast, sometimes replaying is very slow. So anyway, you try to catch up on the comment sections. And if you miss there, so we have the group chat link, text stack, WhatsApp link is there. So try to join there and ask the questions. If I not reply, also some other guys are there, so they can reply that. So we will get the solution as soon as possible from there as well. So utilize the opportunity. Not only this channel or some other things also is available. So utilize it where you like that. So now this is a fourth loop yet to complete. So we'll wait. So when you see the challenger videos, it will take long time. I mean, long duration. So for me recording also, it will take time. When you're seeing, it will get some bored. But try to bear and understand the concept. So only the one thing I want to say. That's it. Okay. Now fourth loop also it's completed. Now it's moving to the fifth loop. So let it complete the fifth loop. See, here the concept is I want to loop each all pages. First thing. So where that date is found, it might be found on the second page also. Might be third page, fourth page. If I skip the find the page in the first page left, basically the concept is different. We download the receipt, but few of them receipts are not downloading, not able to see the GUI element. So that's why we change slightly. The concept is remains same. So now it is on the last one. So once it's click on the number one, I will close this automation. I mean, I will stop this automation and we'll move it. So let's click it. Okay, now it's complete. I am going and stop this automation. So let's do this. I am going to inside this Excel file. And we can see this. So what are the dates are available now? It got success. What are the date are not available? Then it makes us dates not found. So this is the thing. You can try to run all the strings from your side. As of now, it's crossed more than 1 hour, I think so. So that's why. So this is the concept. So I hope you understand. So still, if you have any doubts or anything, so ping me in the comment section. I will try to respond as much as possible.